Right here in Paris, earlier this morning, I spoke with the CEO of L'Oreal, Nicolas Hieronimus, and asked him how the Olympics here in Paris are impacting sales. Take a listen.
I think it's going to impact probably sales negatively in Paris during the months of July, because all the Parisians that normally stay in Paris have gone, and I'm not sure that I think that tourists are more right now into buying sweatshirts with Paris 2024 than lipsticks.
Talk about a distraction from things. We were talking about the issue, guys, with Amazon, but that's a distraction here in Paris. People are going to buy less stuff in certain ways, or at least different stuff. Meantime, L'Oreal reporting half-year results earlier this week and citing depressed sales in China. I asked him about that market.
And it's a pretty dynamic performance, which indeed is very contrasted between Chinese markets, which is slightly declining. So we're hoping for a big rebound in China, which is not materializing yet. I think there is still a great issue of consumer confidence in China. So I'm not very optimistic short term, but very positive in the midterm. The rest of the world is fantastic. Emerging markets like Mexico, India are growing double digits. Europe is growing double digit, and frankly, nobody would have believed that a couple of months ago. And the US is pretty strong too. So overall, we see that there is a strong demand for beauty.
L'Oreal invests $1 billion a year. It's an extraordinary amount of money in R&D, research and development. I asked him about how technology is transforming beauty.
We spend a lot in R&D to create new molecules, new formulas, the sunscreens you're using. And we've seen that recently with the explosion, the rise of technology. Tech was an incredible way to enhance the efficacy of our products, the capacity of consumers to choose the right products. And that's why we have recruited 8,000 tech scientists, data scientists. And this combination of tech data with our own know-how is really augmenting the power of beauty in an incredible way.
We got a lot more of that interview available on CNBC.com.